I have closed down 600 madrasas. My intention is to close down all the madrasas in Assam.
अभी 600 मदरसा बंद किया हूँ, लेकिन मेरा इरादा है सारे मदरसा बंद कर देने का, वो मेरा इरादा है।
Muslims demolished Hindu temples. Today, Modi is on a mission to rebuild all those temples. This is New India. The Assam Chief Minister, Himata Biswa Sharma, speech in a public gathering during his visit in Karnataka. Assam state has the highest Muslim population after Jammu and Kashmir. Muslim population is 34.2% in the state, which is 31 million. There are around 3,000 madrasas in Assam. The Bharatiya Janata Party BJP government in Assam passed legislation to convert all madrasas to general schools. Around 7,850 madrasa teachers lost their jobs. Biswa Sharma also said that Modi will rebuild the temples in the places of mosques.